express 3x minus 4 over x squared minus x in the partial fraction. So in order to do that, the first thing that we need to do is we need to factorize the denominator. So if I take x common out in the denominator, so I'll be left with just x minus 1. And now this thing can be written as a over x plus b over x minus 1, where capital A and capital B are the constants. So yeah, now we can write, if I take this x times x minus 1 to the other side, so it's going to be 3x minus 4 is equals to a times this x times x minus 1 will get multiplied to both the numerators. So it's going to be a times x into x minus 1 over x. So where x and x can get cancelled out. So similarly, b times x into x minus 1 over x minus 1. So where x minus 1 and x minus 1 can get cancelled out. So now that gives us the equations, which goes something like 3x minus 4 is equals to a times x minus 1 plus b times x. Let us call this as equation 2. And let's say this is equation 1. So in this case, so what we have to do is, in order to get the value of a and b, so we have to take these factors to be equals to 0. So when I say x is equals to 0, the first linear factor we have is x. When we put that to be equals to 0 in this equation 2, so let us put x equals to 0. So that's going to be 3 times 0 minus 4 is equals to a times 0 minus 1 plus b times 0. B times 0 would be just 0, that will go off. And this is nothing but minus 4 is equals to a times minus 1. So that is the reason the value of a is positive 4. And similarly, if I put the another linear factor to 0, so which is nothing but another linear factor we have is x minus 1. If I put x minus 1 to 0, I'll be getting x as positive 1. So in that case, if I substitute x as positive 1 in this equation 2, so I'll be getting 3 times 1 minus 4 is equals to a times 1 minus 1 plus b times 1. So 1 minus 1 is going to be just 0. So that is nothing but 3 minus 4 would be minus 1 is equals to b. And this is the value of b. So once we get the value of a and b, so now this rational function, which is 3x minus 4 over x squared minus x, can be written as a over x, and the value of a, which we got it as 4, so it's going to be 4 over x, and plus b over x minus 1, and the value of b, we got it as minus 1, so we can also say it as minus 1 over x minus 1, and this is the final answer for this sum.